Updating your payment information on Binance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Binance website or open the Binance app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the user icon or profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the account settings menu, find a section labeled payment methods or payment information. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update your payment information. Select the payment method you wish to update. You can either edit the existing information or add a new payment method by following the prompts provided. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payment information, ensure all details are correct. Click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Make sure to review your payment information regularly to keep your account secure. If you encounter any issues, consult Binance support for assistance.